Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
अनुपमा मैम, निशा मैम, कुलदीप सर, सेक्रेटरी मैथमेटिक्स,
चम्मच संस्कृति।
We hope you enjoy this journey of learning and exploration.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you.
शुरुआत करें।
Thank you, sir.
मोनिका मैम, एक सबको दे देंगे।
मैम
आप आ जाओ। सर आते हैं।
मैम
I'm coming.
So this is mental health exhibition. Mental health plays a crucial role in our daily life, but yet it's often overlooked. So in our school we promote mental health a lot. We have been participating in Erasmus Summit at Delhi from the past years and have been winning consecutively.
So, sir, it is a mirror for boosting self-confidence. Games which promotes like it is also ring the prize game. You can try if you want.
Of course, why not? कहाँ से फेंकना है? अच्छा।
Addition, adding splash of pink to the landscape. Asiatic lion. This is Asiatic lion, the park's most iconic species. The star attraction of the Great Ocean Park, the only place in this world where these endangered species are found in wild.
Very nice.
The antelope of Asia and found across northern Indian subcontinent. It is the left antelope and is like a cosmetic deep in a protective paraffin scale.
All of them.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा.
1, 2, 3,
With one hand or with both
4,
hands?
1 has 5,
So you're so quick at it.
7, 8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
So do I get to keep the coins or not?
you'll get the chance. Maybe stress corner. You have in our school
All right.
for stress management also.
So you have to color it.
In your free periods. It also promotes, correction. So these journal articles also.
You're getting a call. I think I'll give up. You can tell me what it is.
It's a, every day is a fresh start.
Sorry?
Every day is a fresh start.
Oh, every day is a fresh start.
So this is Tag the Cup.
Thank you.
And these are the cards made by the student of our school. You can have a look on it.
Oh, अच्छा.
जिनका टैटू बनवाना है
And repeating affirmation help reduce stress and boost self-confidence and improve overall happiness. happiness. When we focus on good, our brain releases and feel good. Hormones like dopamine and serotonin, which improves our mood and mental health. Today, we invite you to take a moment to reflect on something positive. It could be a kind note, a dream, a goal, or a thank you note for yourself. Here, what we will do, take a who invites me. Maybe they don't like me.
Sonakshi, you have been so pathetic. What's wrong?
I think nobody really likes me. My friends always make plans without me. Maybe of farming in village. In the village, grow vegetables after vegetables like potato, tomato, carrot, cauliflower. People cut their fields with tractor. Thank you.
Roll our millet. Bring millet back. Put the mortar.
Good afternoon everyone. Today Jwar Bhajra Ragi to Roti. Yes, today we will learn about the journey of gluten-free food from farm to our plate. First, the plowing is done with the help of plow, which is pulled by a tractor. Then the farmer plants the seeds in the Good morning everyone. Do you know fun? Hi everyone. I'm Kainat. Love witnesses. I will about the life cycle of a plant one by one. Curious to know about. First of all, we need to check level of phosphorus temperature.
Aliza.
बेटा ये बोलना बेटी बॉटल फॉर्म बेटी
On volcanic eruption. Aim to demonstrate the eruption of a volcano using a simple chemical reaction. Material required: small plastic bottle, baking soda, vinegar, red food color, and model of volcano. Procedure: take the prepared outer surface model of a volcano. Place the bottle inside the model. Put 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the solution. Tell me. My name is Add little bit soft like food coloring in it. We are the students of second picture. vinegar into the water. Show have difference between soluble eggs and soluble substances by testing milk, salt, mustard oil, and sand in water. As soon as the vinegar and baking soda makes the eruption will begin in the form of bubbles. Conclusion. This experiment shows how a chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda creates gas and building pressure inside the volcano, which cause an eruption similar to a real volcano. Thank you. Very good. I was born on January 4, 1643 in England. You might know me as a scientist, mathematician, and one who discovered gravity. Let me tell you my story. One day I was sitting under a tree, just like reading my favorite book. Suddenly, an apple falls from the tree. It made think, why did the apple fall straight to the ground? Well, it didn't go to sideways or upward. And then, when I realized there must be force pulling apple down, I called it gravity. Gravity is what keeps everything on the ground. Apples, people, and just stopped there. He studied light and built a telescope to look at the stars and planets. He also wrote a big book called Principia Mathematica. It's full of his discoveries about motion and gravity. He also made 3 important laws of motion. First law, an object stays still or keeps moving unless something pushes or pulls it. Second law, if you put something hard, it moves faster. Third law for SBF children is an equal and opposite reaction. So thanks to this little apple, I discovered the 3 laws of universe. Remember curiosity and asking questions can lead to this amazing discovery. Maybe one day we will make a big discovery too. Thank you for listening to my story. Thank you.
Okay.
A wonderful good afternoon to all of you. I am Nandini Singh, a student of Jammu Sanskriti School, Kathua. Today our school organized a science exhibition named Genius Zone where our students showcase their talents. Our chief guest, Mr. Shobit Saxena, SSP Kathua, graced us with his presence and motivated the students to perform better. Events like these are a testament that our school not only focuses on cultural aspects like art, dance, culture, but
Thank you. Ma'am, come, ma'am.
Thankful for this opportunity to witness such a wonderful science exhibition here today at Jammu Sanskriti School, and I must appreciate the faculty and the management of Jammu Sanskriti School for putting up such a wonderful show together. And from what I saw, the children done a lot of hard work in bringing this show together. There have been very young children who have got deep insights. They've explained us about Gir National Park and about farm life and the importance of millets and so many wonderful things such as the radio waves. So this is a great event for the kids to learn a lot. They've got a lot of exposure to science, and there are some things that I think all of us also forgot over all these years, which the kids have reminded us again of our school days and of how great it was to study science at school level. Having said that, science is definitely what has taken mankind forward, and only events like this will help encourage scientific temper in our amongst our children and our youth. And I must congratulate once again Jammu Sanskriti School for such a beautiful event, and my best wishes to all the students. Thank you so much.
मैं मिली सुमरिया, Principal Jammu Sanskriti School Kathua. I welcome you all today to our Genius Zone, Unlocking Secrets Beyond Boundaries. जैसे कि नाम ही बता रहा है कि ये आज का जो मंच था बच्चों के लिए, उसमें सिर्फ साइंस नहीं बल्कि एक एकेडमिक एग्जीबिशन थी जहाँ दे केम अप विद एवरीथिंग रेलेवेंट टू एकेडमिक्स, सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज, साइंस हो, इंग्लिश हो, मैथ्स हो, एंड दे हैव एक्सप्रेस्ड देमसेल्व्स ब्यूटिफुली. एज पर CBSE हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम बच्चों को किताबों तक सीमित ना रखें. किताबों से बाहर लाकर उनको वो नॉलेज को रियल लाइफ में कैसे अप्लाई करना है, यूज़ करना है, इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड दैट इज़ द इंटायर पर्पस बिहाइंड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दिस इवेंट टुडे. बच्चों को एक एकेडमिक फोरम देना जहाँ पे वो अपने आप को एकेडमिकली एक्सप्रेस कर सके, और कहीं ना कहीं इसका एक सोल रीज़न था कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड लर्निंग. And I'm sure the children have put up a magnificent event today. I'm very thankful to my fraternity, my parents, who have always cooperated with me. Thank you very much.